Tinkerbell! Pikachu! Marissa, what are you eating that stick for? Give me that. Give me that stick. No. Give me that. Boy, you don't want to let go of that. Tinker! They just love playing out in their new fenced-in area. Now we don't have to worry about the coyotes we've been having a lot of trouble with. And the other night, Tinkerbell chased a black bear over the bank. Also, it keeps them from going down to the river and rolling around in dead fish, which is quite yucky. Now, Pika, you guys want to go back inside? I'm going in. Come on. Come on, Pika. Want to go in? You coming, Tinkerbell? Okay, you can stay.